Alright, welcome back to the Airband channel. This is going to be another small episode on the ASTAP. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to kind of clean up your hard drive and get rid of pictures or subs that are no good. Because, once we've analyzed our images and we've found pictures that are not worth stacking together, there's no point in keeping them on your hard drive. If you do keep them on your hard drive, well, eventually you're going to run out of space a lot sooner. I know I take narrowband images a lot, so I have terabytes of data because I get to capture a lot of information. So here we are in ASTAP, and as you can see, we've just inspected a whole bunch of images here, and down here we've only got one that's actually not good enough. We could actually probably sort these by quality, and here's another one that I'm going to say I don't like. I'm going to select both of them, and down here we're going to rename the selected files to .back. And what that's going to do is that's going to put a .bak extension at the end of the file. So now we can navigate to that file in the Finder itself, right? We're just going to go to that folder now, the E1 Mark III, Lights, F2.5. This is the Andromeda. As you can see, it's moved those two Olympus RAW files to the very top, and it's put a .back file extension on there. And so now we can delete that, and that will clear up some good space. I know in this particular instance we had a pretty good run of things. We only had 2 bad pictures out of like 30. Sometimes though, you'll take 60 or 70 subs of something, and sometimes you'll have 40 bad subs. No point in keeping those in your hard drive. And this kind of gives you a good way to clean things up, right, and stay organized.